Alright guys, I feel like I'm Bindi Bang. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing DYangBass. Quick intro, we are out here getting gas at Quick Trip. Yeah, pretty loud music, but I figured I'd start my intro here. We are going bass fishing, so meeting out with a buddy of mine. Gonna go out, have some fun, learn some new stuff, and hopefully we can catch a big one. So, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, hit the thumbs up, and we're right about ready. So, stay tuned. Alright, let's fish first, then we'll talk. I have a special guest here with me. The one and only. Put my breakers on. There you go.
Try the new reel.
Huh?
Try the new reel.
Oh, you got the what reel is that?
The bank phone? Yep.
Okay. Yeah, we just had the Academy recording and then baby shower or whatever, and then should be free after that. Whoa, got him! Fast. Not that big. Good though.
That's a nice one. Ooh, that's a nice one, dude.
Nice. Let's go. Yeah, good for the lake. Found him. We're just talking. It scared the crap out of me, bro. God, yeah, post spawn. Hey, we found him.
Yeah, big head.
Post spawn fish. All right, get out there, bro.
Try. Still got
First keeper right here. Just gonna go in the well for good luck. Yep. Yeah, these river bass, they fight real hard, so it's fun. Yeah, when they hit it, they run with it. It's cool. Oh, you missed. Come on. Bruh. That was a kiss, too.
Ooh, all those bait fish jumping out.
Yeah. Dude, he like kissed it right behind it. That was tight. Whoa! Jeez, man, come on, bro. Just kissing it. My low guy. Got him. I do.
Nice.
Yeah, they gotta be over here. The trash is a little more isolated. Hey, come on, shake yourself off, buddy. Back there. Shake yourself off. 15 incher. Take it off. Oh, okay. I guess you belong in here. Yeah, close small fish. Topwater bite. Throw him back. Throw back the second one too now. Broke the curse. Chill. We'll get bigger ones. Relax. Stop it. Stop. Alright, here we go. Get your release. Just the big ones. Slow down, bro. Slow down. Oh, Sal. Chica kilo. Swing him in, bro. Oh, look at that. That could go in the well. That's a nice one. 16, 17 incher right there.
My bad.
My guy. Okay, man. Okay. Good stuff, dude.
About time.
Yeah, throw him in the well for good luck. Just 16s. 17s. We're gonna hit this mat on the left, because I'm not digging this. This is way too thick for us to try to travel. I think they're in the isolated patches out here, like we. Yeah. But torso. Escape. Shaya. Go. Oh, got him. Yep. You came out of nowhere, bro. What the heck? Look at a pike. Jeez, dude. You really wanted that. The theory was correct. You want the isolation. So real quick, we started off with the Weston topwater lure. Start out with the gunfish. You got that one nice one that's in the well right now. I got the Weston topwater. Forgot what it's called exactly. And now we're working with the frog. Good old Spro, guys. Can't go wrong with that. We're fishing basically a flat, like just straight up flat. That's only like 4 or 5 feet of water, and we're just targeting like isolated weed patches. They're not even patches if anything. They're not even that thick yet, but the fish are back here. They're cruising. They're feeding. It's post spawn. It's gonna be fun. So go to the outskirts. They're not in.
Whoa, dude, he slurped that. I didn't even hear him.
Did you hear anything?
Uh-uh.
My boy just freaking.
I just saw you set the hook.
Yeah. My boy came up and like. He ate the frog with no sound. That was crazy. Look at that. Stay out here. Nice, dude. That's a good one, dude. Oh, look at that. Sal got me all excited over here, man. He got another nice one. Hey, you broke the curse. You got two. Woo. Throw him in, bro.
Okay.
Oh, nice, dude. It's good for this lake.
I don't have the color I like on.
Huh?
I don't have the color I like. I couldn't find it.
Oh no, dude, that bone color is money, bro.
Okay, cool.
Oh, yeah.
Try this one.
Got him. What the heck? That's a pike. Oh, that's a bass. That's that much gray. Woo, they are eating today. Ah, ah. Chill, chill. Drake's not set for some reason. Something silly.
Damn, first cast too.
Yeah.
Oh, about one right now.
Yeah.
Bother.
This one? I got one.
I missed one too, dude.
Dude, this guy's fucking hard to fight. It's not even that big. Just snagging on the side, that's why. Man, these bass are loaded back here. I love it. That was so cool. My dude came up with no hesitation. It's like right there. Ah!
Okay.
Yeah, just poked me. Stop! Yeah, I like hard. Got him! Little guy. He didn't even blow up on me, he just pulled the tail. Oh! Good release, nice. Dude, not even an hour. This dude put 5 in a well. Follow the white tundra. Yeah, look at him. Fish number one.
Number
Okay,
one.
okay. Fish number one. All right. Fish number two.
Mr. Hunchback.
Hunchback fish. Okay. Fish number three. Okay.
Another
Yeah.
nice one.
50 plus, right? Ooh, look at that one.
Very long one.
All right, catch and release. Our boy's on fire. We're not done yet. Bro, watch this.
Ooh, that's a poke.
Poke it, yeah. What's up, bro? Watch this, poke.
I don't want to touch these, dude. Snakehead.
Ah, shit. It's scary, bro. Oh, I should be flipping this, bro. There's a bunch of pockets here. I should be flipping this. I gotta pick it. Told you. It was dumb not to flip this area, dude. Yep, not a big one, but I knocked on that right door. Smashed it. Oh yeah. Bro, look how he's red. Look at the tail. It's so pretty. Look. That's cool. I've never seen that. Yeah. Good guy. Got him right there, right there. Bass. I got him. Yep, I got him.
That's a nice one.
It's okay, I got him. That's a nice one, yeah. There you go.
That's a really, really nice one.
That's a better fish, that's
We found them.
Yep. Here you go, guys. Catch and release. Hey! Well, that's it for today, guys. It's hot, nasty. It was fun. Caught a lot of bass. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a fun outing. Out here fishing for some bass. Pike, I guess, too. Smallmouth, largemouth. Crappie. My boy caught a crappie, so not too much to say. What you got, bro?
It was a good day today.
It was a good day today. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You guys know the drill, and I'll see you guys next time.